Hello students, my name is Bhavin Soni and you are watching free coaching in lockdown 2020. In my previous videos of class 9 related to the polynomials chapter 2, I have covered the concepts of 5 identities. That is, like in this video I am going to start with the 6th identity. I have given the name for that video as a polynomial chapter 2 exercise 2.5 part 1. Now this is the chapter 2 to exercise 2.5 part 2. I will be covering the questions from question number 6 of exercise 2.5. So let us see the identities. There are 3 more identities after the 5th one, that is 6th, 7th and 8th. 6th identity is of whole cube, 7th is of whole cube, and the 3rd one is also, the 8th one also we are going to cover in this video. So let us start with question number 6. Before starting the concept, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel if you have not, so that you can get more advantage or benefit of more videos. Okay, so let us start with question number 6 of exercise 2.5, that is part 2. Okay, so here we have the question number 6. Write the following cubes in expanded form. So here we are given the whole cube, we need to expand it by using the identity. You can compare this question with the identity number 6. See, it has a positive sign, and here also in this question we have a sign of positive. Okay, so 3 by 2x plus 1. 3 by 2x plus 1. So here we have x as 3 by 2x and y as 1. So let us write the value of x. X is equal to 3 by 2x and y is equal to 1. I am using the identity and we compare it with the question. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy, x plus y. I substitute the value of x with 3 by 2x. So this is 3 by 2x the whole cube plus y with the value of 1 the whole cube plus 3. The value of x is 3 by 2x. 3 by 2x and y is 1. And here we have x plus y, that is 3 by 2x plus 1. Let us now solve the brackets. 3 square cube of 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. X cube upon 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2. 9 by 2 x. This is 1. The whole bracket 3 by 2x plus 1. Now I am going to open this bracket, that is 27x cube upon 8 plus 1 plus 9 3s are 27x square upon 4 plus 9 1s are 9, that is 9x upon 2. So this is our final answer when we expand 3 by 2x plus 1 the whole cube. Let us take one more example with the negative side. Here we have the question x minus 2 by 3y. So I will compare the x with x and compare the y with 2 by 3y. So let us take the value of x as x and y as 2 by 3y. And we have to use the identity number 7. Let us compare it with the identity. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy, x minus y. Let us see. Here we have x is x the whole cube minus y is 2 by 3 y whole cube. Minus 3 into x is x and y is 2 by 3 y. And big bracket x minus y. X is x and y is 2 by 3 y. So let us now solve the brackets. This is x cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This is 2xy. Big bracket x minus 2 by 3y. Now let us solve the bracket. X cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 2x square y minus minus plus, that is 2 2s are 4 upon 3xy square. So this is the final answer when we expand x minus 2 by 3 by the whole cube. Now let us see question number 7. evaluate. Okay, so this is 102. Evaluation of 102. How will you evaluate or how will you find the value of 102 without multiplying it, just by using the identity? So here you can use both the identities, the identity number 6 and identity number 7, as plus 1 also, as minus 1 also. If I am using here 100 plus 2, the whole cube is also correct, and 110 minus 8 is also correct. I am taking here 100 plus 2 is 102. So here we have the value of x as 100 and value of y as 2. Let us use the identity number 6. Identity number 6 is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. So let us substitute the value of x. Value of x is 100 cube plus value of y is 2 cube plus 3 into x value is 100, value of y is 2, and x is 100 plus 2. Let us solve the brackets 1, 2 and 3. Okay, plus 8 plus 600 into 102. So you've got the value of 102, cubing the 102 without actually multiplying by using the identity as 10,61,208. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 8. Factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So let us find the value of x and y from the question. See, this if you compare, first of all we need to find the two whole cubes from the question. We need to find two whole cubes from the question, and here you can see these are the two whole cubes. This is the cube of 2a, the whole cube, plus b, the whole cube. You just write the identity. Here we have the identity 3a b a plus b. Okay, so I'll be using the identity, and here I'll substitute the value of a. A is 2a and b is just a b. Here also a plus b means 2a plus b. Okay, now it is very simple. You have just to see the last bracket. The last bracket is 2a plus b. This is our answer. 2a plus b the whole cube. This is our final answer. Okay, so let us start. Let us try one more question related to the same concept. Here it is given 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. So first of all we are going to find two whole cubes. These are the two whole cubes. This is the cube of 3p, the whole cube, and 1 by 216, 1 by 6, the whole cube, minus, I am just writing 3a b a plus b. I am not using the actual values. We will find these two things, these two terms are the value of a and b. So 3p is the value of a or x, and 1 by 6 is the value of y. So let us write 3p and 1 by 6. 3p minus 1 by 6, as the identity says x minus y. Now let us check, cross check. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 9 by 2. Yes, you are getting this term, 9 by 2 p, and this 3p minus 1 by 6 is the last bracket. If you use this 3p minus 1 by 6, the whole cube, you will get the final answer. It is equal to the x minus y, the whole cube. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 9. It says verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So let us take the RHS side to solve RHS. Let us see x plus y into x square plus xy, minus xy plus y square. Now what you have to do is you have to multiply this bracket with the whole bracket. Let us multiply. I am multiplying x with all the three terms. That is x into x square, x cube, x into minus xy. That is minus x square y, then plus xy square. Then again y is multiplied by all the terms. That is plus x square y, then minus xy square and y into y plus y cube. Let us now see the values. X square y plus minus x square y and plus x square y becomes 0. Then x y square is positive here, minus is negative x y square, it will be 0. So whatever is left is x cube plus y cube. This is equal to the LHS of the question. So here you have to solve in this manner. Now let us, taking the base as this identity, will use the factorize the question number 10. Let us factorize it. 27y cube plus 125 z cube. So I will find the value of x. X is, see, this is 3y's whole cube and this is 5z whole cube. So value of x is 3y and value of y is 5z. Now I am using the identity. This identity I will be using. Okay. Now let us see, x plus y is 3y plus 5z. Again, x square is 9y square plus sign of positive plus here 9y square minus here it is xy, x into y, 5 3s are 15 minus 15y z plus the identity says y square. Y square, we have y is 5, 5 square is 25z square. So this is our final answer of question number 10. Now let us see question number 11, a bit lengthy one. Here I am going to use the identity number 8, which says x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy is equal to x plus y plus z. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So let us compare this question with the actual identity left hand side. X is 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3. This is value of 3x. This is the value of y. This is the value of z. So this is the left hand side of the identity. Now I am putting this value into the right hand side of the identity, which is equal to x plus y. That is, x is 3x, y is simple y, and z is simple z. Closing the bracket. Another one, x square is 3x square. That is 9x square plus y square is simple y square plus z square is also simple z square minus x into y, 3x into x into y, that is 3xy minus yz, that is yz minus zx is 3x into z, 3xz. So here is the final answer of the factorization of 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy, which is equal to 3x plus y plus z, 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Now let us see the value. Using this identity, you can conclude that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, using this result, I am going to check the value, find the value of question number 14. Here I will compare this x as 28, y as minus 15 and z as minus 13. So you can use that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So you do not have to find the cube of 28. You have to just use the identity, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So I am finding the value 3 into value of x is 28, value of y is minus 15 and value of z is minus 13. So let us multiply this. So you've got the answer 16,380. You need to verify, children. This identity can be used only when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Let us check whether x plus y plus z is 0 or not. 28 minus 15 minus 13. 28 minus 15 is 13. 13 minus 13 is 0. Then only you can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Otherwise you cannot put the value. Now let us see question number 15. It is very simple. This topic we have covered in video exercise 2.4 and 2.5. The question says find the length and the breadth of each of the following. Okay, so this one is the quadratic polynomial, and you can find the factors by factorizing it with the middle term factorization method. So I found the factor 7y minus 3 and the another factor is 5y minus 4. So remember, length is 7y minus 3 and breadth becomes 5y minus 4. This is the final answer. This one is length and this one is breadth. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, kindly share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.